Hello everyone. Today in this video training, I'll show you how to add text in a video clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here goes my Adobe Premiere Pro project and I'm going to show you how to add text on this video. Okay, we have two options to add text in video or images. The first option is using type tool. And here is the Adobe Premiere Pro tools section, and on the bottom here you can see type tool. If I click over here, then the type tool will be selected, or what I can do, from the keyboard press T, then again it will be selected and highlighted. Now if I click anywhere of this video, then we can type text. Let me show you. I'm going to add text here. Just I'm going to click over here, and here you can see red mark. Now I can add text. At the same time, here you can see a new graphics layer is added on the timeline, and on the right here you can see essential graphics settings. If you don't see here, then go to Windows and enable essential graphics. Okay, that's all. Now I'm going to start typing. Hello everyone. Here you can see I have added text. Now I can click over here on the selection tool. Now this text is selected. Now if I click over here, I can just move the text anywhere. Okay, that was option on. Okay friends, now I'm going to show you the second option. Okay, I'm going to just move this playholder ahead and click over this timeline on this video clip, and from the keyboard I'm going to press Ctrl and T, and here you can see new graphics layer, text layer, and again here you can see new text. Okay, so what I can do, you can see the selection tool is selected. Now I can move anywhere. Okay, and if I would like to keep the text side by side, then what I can do, just bring it here over it, then get this layer, playhead over here. Now you can see two text, hello everyone, and new text here. Now let me show you how I can change this text. Hello everyone, welcome to Brimitech. So I'm going to double click over here, and now the text is selected. So now I'm going to type welcome to Brimitech. That's fine. So by now we have learned how to add text in Premiere Pro. Now we want to just customize this text. So what we can do, we can just change the font, we can align the text, we can increase the font size, change the color of the text, we can add background, shadow, everything step by step. So what I'm going to do, I have selected the second text, welcome to Brimitech, and this is the layer that is highlighted, and on the right here you can see the text is again here, welcome to Brimitech. So if you want, you can hide it. Just click on this eye icon, then you can see it is gone. Again click on here, it will be again here. Okay, the first is alignment. Okay, then here you can see I can align left, I can align right, I can align bottom, I can align vertically, horizontally center, clicking from here. And if I click over here, and it will be vertically centered. So this is now horizontally and vertically centered. If I click over here again, the options will be available again. And now here you can see the number. If I drag this number left, then the text will be left. If I move it to right, then it will be right. And from here, I can bring it to top and bring it to bottom. Okay. Then from here, I can just, if I type 140, hit enter, then you can see the text size is bigger. From here, I can increase the text size. And if I click here, then it will be unlocked, and I can increase it also. Okay. Now here you can see rotating option. If you want, you can rotate. Just enter the value of the angle. I want to rotate it by 120 angle. If I hit enter, then you can see the text is rotated now. I'm going to reset it. Just enter 0 and hit enter from the keyboard. And here you can see it is back. Okay. What I can do from here, I can just increase or decrease the transparency, opacity. So I'm going to remove it. Then you can see the text is going to be transparent. And if I set 0, I can't see the text. Here, okay. So from here you can manage the opacity. Okay. Then here goes the style. You can create any custom style. I can say custom style. Here goes the important part. You can change the font family of your text. So again, click the text and okay. Just from here, you can select any text. I'm going to select any text. Okay, let's select this font. It is Lato. I'm going to click on it and the Lato is selected now. And the style will be bold. Now again, it is bold. And here goes the font size. I'm going to drag and increase. Okay, here you can see when I increase the font size, some of the text is hidden. So what you can do, come over here again, click over here, then bring it to center horizontally and click here to bring it center vertically. Okay, that's fine. And here goes some other options. You can make it extra bold. Okay, and important thing is appearance. You can change the color. Okay, so I'm going to click over here and here goes the color. I'm going to make it a bit orange. Okay, here it is, but it doesn't look good. Okay, it will look good. And here you can see stroke. You can add a stroke of this to this text, but it's a bad practice. Nobody add stroke. Okay, first of all, you'll have to click on this checkbox and then click over here and add the color. Okay, to make it clear, I'm going to add this purple color and increase the value here. And here you can see purple. Okay, now add background. Just click this checkbox and here you can see on the behind the background. Okay, I'm going to change the background color to yellow so that you can understand. But I know the color combination isn't going good. Okay, now here you can see opacity. You can and size. You can increase the size. Okay, fine. And interestingly, you can just make this background round. Just here you can see round. Just enter the value 20. Now it is round. Okay. I'm going to uncheck this to remove the stroke. I don't like it too much. And scroll down. Here you can see add shadow. Check this and you can add shadow. Already you can see the shadow. Okay, you can change the color of the shadow to black color. Okay, and the opacity of the shadow and angle of the shadow. Okay, and many more. That's good. And again, you can come over here and on the Windows panel, control, you can enable control effect control, and from here you can manage the opacity. You can change anything, scale, position, everything. So friends, I believe by now you could add text to your video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video training and you could know how to add text in your video. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again in a new video.